I'm back. Somewhere in the universe, somewhere someone's got it theirs. Wish that make it easier. Wish I could inflate the world's smallest violin. Really need an audience, so if I do not find somebody soon, I'll blow up into matter and spew my tiny symphony all up and down the city street. Trying to pull my mind and it's foolish. Accessory, it's just this beat that fit for me. Nobody there. Die, 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 die. And there's no strategy here. Die.
Resumption of ball game, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Time. Solid. Red. Red. By Santos,
I just saved a random child.
Bakit ka naglalaro ng programme na?
I'm making a video, you don't know.
Yes, don't go my place. Wait. What the fuck? Done that, girl.
No,
Continue my drawing daw.
she's my son now.
Mama, continue my drawing daw. I drawed Gojo.
Damn! They show me half of the video. Yeah, I know.
I failed something.
I don't have a big enough camera, but I'm gonna get my tripod.
Wait lang, tingnan ko nga.
Come! Yeah!
No, my
bro's becoming Drake!
bro is Drake. Bro is my bro is Drake today, huh? No, bro is Drake. If you're true Drake, can you clap the chicks with the kid? Can you clap the kid's chick when you're true Drake?
Yay! I will kill this kid.
Damn, why is my foot showing?
Yes!
Damn.
Die! Die, you dumb...
Sino ito? Si Denise.
I am leaving for the milk. Daughter, I'm leaving for the milk. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave my child.
Oh no, bro's driving drunk.
I forgot to take out the milk.
If you're true Drake, can you buntis-buntis sa kid? Please, can you buntis-buntis sa kid if you're a true Drake? Buntis-buntis the kid if you're the true Drake. Alright, buntis-buntis the kid if you're the true Drake.
Look at that dumb child gone.
Buntis-buntis the kid if you're the true Drake. Oh.
Bow, 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 bow.
Why'd you ban her? Okay, now do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Pam, pam her. Hindi. No, buntis him. Hindi, Jipoy, kinakalap mo yung chicks niya. Sa bed.
Magagawa pa iba.
Pam, pam, pam.
That,
Malapit na sa 10 minutes. Bilis si pam mo yung pet niya. Pam mo yung pet niya. Ipam mo yung pet niya.
come on, daughter.
Ipam mo yung pet niya.
Yay.